RoboMinions AI powered interview prep app. So let's download the interview preparation app from robominions.in website. RoboMinions AI trainer. So the website says crack your toughest coding questions with our AI powered interview prep app. So this artificial intelligence trainer app will build your skills for you to thrive in your GATE exams or other competitive exams and engineering exams, and also helps in tech interviews. So without wasting much of your time, let's try downloading this app. So we are trying to download the latest version, that is v1.0. Our system here is Windows OS, so we are downloading Windows. Please right click on the file and extract all the contents here. Click on extract and it should extract all the file data. So once this is done, please cut this folder onto your desktop. Please go to the folder, to the app folder. You can find your app files. Please don't touch this folder. If any of your files get corrupted, that will affect your application run. Then you have a trial version RoboMinions license. You can also have a full version license too. It will be in the same name. Then you have a interview preparation application. Please right click on this application, show more options, and please create a shortcut. So this shortcut, please copy this shortcut to your desktop so that you can regularly use this app. Okay, so now please double click on the app shortcut. You get a Windows protection message. Please ignore it, more info, and then click on run anyway. So it will take few seconds to run. Please wait. And yeah, it's up. So it says welcome back, dear enthusiastic learner. So the app is ready. Please check your taskbar. Yeah, so ready. We need to pin it to our taskbar. So right click and pin the app to the taskbar so that we can regularly use it. And just in case if your app is not open yet, wait for a few more seconds and then try rerunning. And yeah, if it's not opening, then please let us know. We'll try to. You can provide us a feedback here. So in the website you have this feedback page where you can provide us the feedback if your app is not running yet. Okay. And this welcome page also displays the next app update, the date, how many days are remaining, and the version gets updated. So you can download the latest version here. Yeah. So let's explore the app. So this is your AI interview preparation app. So you can see all the topics, all the major computer science topics are available here. Before heading there, let's explore the options available on the left side of the app. So you have frequently asked questions here. So if you have any questions, then please send us a feedback, or we can put those questions here. One regular question we get is size of the screen size of the app. For that, you can see that you can go to the display settings. Let me show you. So in display settings, you have a scale option where you can adjust the scale. Let me show you. So if you make it 100%, right? So if you make it 100%, the scale, your app looks very small, as you can see. Now if I make it 150% with a display resolution of 1920 to 1200, then your app display is bigger. Try to keep the display as bigger as possible so that you can see the working of the code and working of the app properly. Okay, So that's a frequently asked question. Then you have copyright info here. Then of the app, please go through those. Then you have next app update here. So you get the information of your next app update. Then you can apply for internship if you want to contribute in our mission and want to contribute in any of these topics. You can uh, you can apply for internship. We will review attach your resume. We will review your resume, and we have remote part-time job options available for students, and also full-time options available. Yeah. Then you can also provide us feedback. You have a feedback page here. If you have any suggestions, please post them. Then you can report a bug. If you find any bugs in our app, please report them. We will fix it in next app update. Then you have a how to use the app. The same video, which is this one, will be available here. Okay. Yeah. Coming back to the topics, you just need to see that the black dots one are not yet available. They will be coming soon. They are getting updated. So if you try clicking on them, you will get this topic is presently not available. It will be available in later app updates. Yeah, so that is that. But you have these two major concepts right now completely available. So you have data structures and algorithms, which has lot of major concepts like linked list, all the major sorting algorithms, graphs, Dijkstra. Let's go through them one by one. So in linked list, you have introduction to singly linked list, creating and displaying a singly linked list. So this is your code environment where you will understand how the code works. So every stage of the code is broken down by this AI. So by just clicking next, next and back button, you control the code flow. So the arrow goes to the exact location of the execution of the code. So if you continue, so then, so this get, it calls the create function. It goes to the create. Your first variable is created, and the memory is getting allocated for the node. Then data is updated. First next equal to null. You can see here null. Last equal to first. So this is the code tracing. The graphics will be available here, and the rest of the code iteration, you have a total control over it. So this is a C language. You'll be getting other languages too: C++, Python, Java, and JavaScript. But they are not available right now. So only C is available. If you observe any bugs here, then please report the bug by clicking on report bug. Audio tutorials are available. We are working on those, so they will be available soon. Then you have, if you want to go back in the app, you can go back by clicking on menu. Let's explore another topic here. Let's check how merge of two singly linked list works. Clicking next, your code is iterating. Then have first, second, third, and last getting null assigned. Then main function is called. Your two array, first and second array. Your linked list is getting created here. Second linked list. So you have 5, 10, 31, 5, 10, 31, and the second one is 7, 9, 28. 7, 9, 28. Those are the two linked lists. And now you want to merge these two linked lists. We'll see how this connection changes, how the app goes through. So you have first data, that is 5, and second data 7. So 5 is less than 7, that's true. So third equal to last equal to first. Yeah. Then first equal to first next, and last next is equal to null. So it's changed. So then it goes to first not equal to null, true. First is not equal to null. Second is not equal to null, true. So true and true is true. So it comes inside. Then first data is right now it's 10. So 10 less than second data is 7. So yeah, that's false. It goes to the else. The link is getting changed. Last next here is changed to last next equal to second. So 5 link is getting connected to 7, and the address of this node is 800. Node address is 800, hash 800, and that hash 800 is getting assigned to last next. So that's how it works. So every stage you can observe how the link is changing, how the code is iterating. I'm just going fast with the next button clicks. I'm clicking faster. You can control the speed the any way which way you want. So if I keep on clicking back, it keeps going to the back, every stage backwards. If you click next, then again you can start from that point. So you can take as much time as possible for understanding of this topic. And if, in case if you want to head back to the menu, so please click on menu. So we'll go back. Then you can explore other topics whichever way you like. And then you have a polynomial representation of using linked list. Then you have stack using array, stack using linked list, parenthesis matching infix to postfix conversion. Then you have queues, implementation of queue using array, circular queue using linked list, and then priority queues. Then you have a binary tree, creating binary tree traversal, pre-order tree traversal, in order, post order. Then you have counting nodes in binary tree, finding height of a binary tree, and generating tree from traversals. Then you have binary search tree, creating of binary search tree, inserting recursive insert of binary search tree. Then you have a deleting node in a binary search tree, or how that code works. Is it generating a binary search tree from pre-order traversal? So you just need to keep clicking next. So all the stages are explained. Stacks get stack features.h has created a stack data structure here. So you can understand every stage of the code here, all the major concepts here. Okay, then you have AVL trees. It's a self-balancing binary search tree. So you can observe if you delete a node in a AVL tree, for example, the R1 rotation. So using R1 rotation, if you try deleting a node of data value 33, so you're trying to delete, just click next, and you can see how the rotation happens and how the balance factor, that is height of left subtree minus height of right subtree, gets adjusted. So just by clicking next, you can see how the entire tree got adjusted. And those are all these concepts are available. I'm not going through each and every concept in this video, but you can just download the app and explore it to yourself. Then you have binary heap, creating heap, max heap, creating max heap, min heap, and then you have deleting from heap from max heap will give you a heap sort algorithm. So that is here explained. Then you have sorting techniques. All the major sorting techniques are available. Bubble sort, insertion sort, selection sort, quick merge, count sort, bucket, radix, shell sort, and heap sort. All those are explained. Then you have hashing techniques also available, like chaining, linear probing to resolve collision, quadratic probing for resolving collision, double hashing. If you can go through, so just for a quick glance, if you go to hashing technique, chaining, you just need to click next. You can see how the hash table gets created. It's filled with garbage values right now. Now it's getting initialized with null. Yeah, the chain gets created. I'm clicking faster so that we get the results faster, the graphical result. You can go slow. It depends on your speed. So you got the search output here, and then it returns. Yeah. So you can see how the chain has got created from the hash table. So using the chaining technique for hashing. Yeah. So that's hashing, and then you have graphs. Graphs, you have adjacency matrix for different types of graphs, and then just quickly going through this, you can see how the graph gets created, the adjacency matrix, how it gets updated. Get a clear visualization, and you can get a clear picture of the graph on the right side. So it's an undirected, unweighted graph. So you don't see any weights or directions here. You can observe how the adjacency matrix data is getting updated by 1. So as it is unweighted, so the data value will be 1 for each edge. You can see how your yeah. And then it has printed all the entire adjacency matrix here. You can see the graph. So that's an example of adjacency matrix. Then you have spanning trees. These are very tough algorithms to remember. You can understand every stage here with a click of a button. Every stage, what is happening inside the app, inside the code. Your Prim's algorithm. Then you have Kruskal's minimum cost spanning tree, how this works. The spanning tree algorithms are a bit tough to remember. Yeah. Then you have shortest path algorithms, breadth first search, regularly asked in all the top tech companies. So you have a clear picture of how the graph is iterated using breadth, how it is traversed using breadth first search. It's not iterated, but how is it's traversed, how the graph is traversed. Then you have a depth first search, how that is traversed. So you'll have a clear understanding of that too. Well, to go back, if you are in the code, if you want to go back, please click on menu. Don't forget that. Back will take you, the button back will take you the back of the code. So back, you'll go back in the code. So you can see the arrow number here, right? It's a 04. So if you click next, it will come to 5. Yeah, you control the code with the back and the next button. And if you want the code of the depth first search, then please click the code. So you get the code here. Yeah, this is a compiled code. So you have the output here, and also you can run it yourself. So you can copy this code and paste it on any online or offline compilers. So it will be available. And then audio tutorials are right now not available for this topic. So we are working on those. So you can take a headphones, like in the background you can run the audio tutorial, and you can control the app, like you can listen to the audio using your headphones, and yeah, you can control the code in the app, and the tutorial will explain you every stage in the code. So going back, then we have topological sorting, even that code is explained. Then you have Dijkstra's algorithm, Bellman-Ford algorithm, Floyd-Warshall, A-star algorithm, Johnson's algorithm. A few of those topics are still getting ready. And then you have dynamic programming concepts like knapsack problem, partition problem, broad cutting. Then you have backtracking problem. Nenquin problem is very much asked regularly in Facebook or Google or Amazon. So even that code is explained. So that is data structures and algorithms. For C concepts, then we have C basic concepts are all available, loops, go to, switch, everything. Then we have, so this, it's a basic concepts like the flowchart, which you might have learned in your first year of engineering or any computer course. You have the flowchart here, so that comes up. And then you have time complexity. So the complexity chart is available. You will by clicking on a big O of n factorial, you go to the code of n factorial by clicking on n log n. So you get to know how the n log n works. So you understand which big O value is bad and which is good. So you get clear understanding of that, how the square root of n works, or just click the next and it will provide you the number of operations in the code. So you can visualize and visualize the complexity chart. So also other complexity of the algorithms like physical data structures like array, singly linked list, all those complexity, best case, worst case, time complexity is available. And you have sorting algorithm complexity chart. Click next, and then you have tree sort, cube sort complexity. A quick revision, and then you have recursion. So tracing of tree recursion, for example, you get the entire tree structure here, how the recursion happens, the clear tracing of recursion and how the print happens. So tree tracing, then you have tree recursion tracing, and then you have a head recursion, you have a tail recursion, and you have a nested recursion, how the nested recursion occurs. You have indirect recursions, those concepts are covered. And in ArrayDT, you have a optimized linear searching, how transposition can optimize linear searching, how move to front can. So all the codes are available here for each topic, and the tracing happens in the right side. Binary search, reverse of array, merging arrays, check if array is sorted. Uh, One more thing I forgot to tell you. Let's take this easy example. So you have an introduction to character. So you keep clicking next, next, and you keep getting the output here, right? So at the end of the code, you get the time complexity of each code. So please remember that every end of the code you have to wait for the time complexity. So it not just provides you all the graphical information, but it also provides you the time complexity of this algorithm or this code, yeah, any basic code. Then you have in strings, you have length of a string, validating string, reversing a string, palindrome. There are different methods of reversing the string. Finding duplicates using hash table. You can see how hash table gets created, and how it gets how the values get updated at each stage. So yeah, so all those topics are covered here. Uh, yeah, that's it. Thank you very much, and please download the app and start your learning journey soon. And please send us feedback. And yeah, one more thing before we wind up. If in case your trial version has ended, let me show you how what happens. If in case you try, if you try running after your trial version has ended, then give me a second. It should open up. Yeah. So it asks for registration. So to get your valid license, you have a request code file that gets generated in your app. If you don't have it, please try refreshing the page. So you get it here. So click on register here in the app license registration. Okay, it will take you to app license registration page. Fill your name, email ID, phone number, your college or organization name, and then attach the request code file. It's a unique request code which your app generates for your laptop, and please attach that and then click on submit. We will send valid license to you as soon as possible. Okay, so yeah, please do that, and you'll get the entire version. And the future, once you have your valid license, then your future updates and topics are absolutely free. There will be no issues for you. Yeah, thank you.